In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Slide Master View in PowerPoint so you can control the design of your entire presentation from one place. If you've ever struggled with editing fonts, logos, layouts, or formatting on every single slide one by one, then Slide Master is going to save you a huge amount of time. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to open Slide Master View, how to navigate between different master layouts, and how to make changes that apply across your whole presentation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint and open any presentation that you want to work on. It can be a new blank presentation or an existing file. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu ribbon and click on the View tab. The View tab contains different ways to look at and manage your slides. Inside the View tab, you'll see an option called Slide Master. Go ahead and click on Slide Master. As soon as you click it, your screen will change to the Slide Master view. On the left-hand side, you'll now see a larger slide at the top, and below it, you'll see multiple smaller slides. The large slide at the top is the main Slide Master, and the smaller ones underneath are the layout masters that control different slide types, like title slides, content slides, and section hairs. Now let's talk about how this works. The very top slide, the main Slide Master, controls the overall design for all layouts connected to it. If you change the font style here, add a logo, adjust background graphics, or move placeholders, those changes can affect every slide layout underneath it. This is perfect for adding consistent branding, such as a company logo in the corner of every slide. Go ahead and click on the top master slide. Try changing something simple, like the font style of the title text, or insert a shape or logo using the Insert tab. You'll notice that this change appears across the layouts connected to that master. Next, click on the different slides underneath the main master slide. These are individual layout masters. For example, click on the title slide layout. Here, you can customize just the title slide format without affecting the other layouts. Then click on a content layout. You can adjust text positioning, resize placeholders, or change formatting specifically for that layout. The key idea here is that changes made to the top master slide affect all related layouts, while changes made to individual layout slides only affect slides using that specific layout. This gives you both global control and detailed control over your presentation design. Once you've made all your changes, you need to exit Slide Master View. To do that, go back to the ribbon at the top and click on Close Master View. As soon as you click it, you'll return to the normal editing mode. Now when you browse through your slides, you'll see your design changes applied consistently throughout the presentation. Using Slide Master properly can dramatically speed up your workflow, especially when working on professional presentations, company templates, or school projects. Instead of manually editing 20 or 30 slides, you make one change in Slide Master and it updates automatically. And that's how you use Slide Master View in PowerPoint. If this video helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.